Recording of the type plate, mounted on the side of the control cabinet. Recording of the material discharge at the gun with the mixer mounted. Please take the following recordings during operation or when the gun is actuated. Recording of the pressure settings on the pneumatic maintenance unit as well as the setting of the hydraulic pressure. Recording of the movements of the piston pumps, a pump on the left and B pump on the right, as well as the pressure curve at the B filter upstream of the B dosing pump. Important, the B pump may pump only while the A pump is descending. During the upstroke of the A pump, the B pump must stand still. Recording of the settings and the pressure curve at the switching contact manometers, left switching contact manometer of the A component and right switching contact manometer of the B component. Please stop the system at the end of this recording view, or do not operate the gun any further. Important, during operation, dynamic pressure, the system should move neither in low pressure, below the first red needle, nor in overpressure, above the third red needle. At standstill, static pressure, the system should move to overpressure. This switches the hydraulic valve into circulation and prevents overheating of the hydraulic oil. Recording of the display of the overpressure on the control cabinet.